If we want to add a new section in the About page, we can simply go between the two sections that we want to add the new one and click over here on this plus. Then we have three options. We can add a new section from scratch, we can add one from media library, or we can create one with AI. So let's click over here to build with AI. We have received three options over here. We can simply click on them in order to see them. I like this one, so I can simply click over here to use layout. I can see the new section in the structure over here. I can click over here in order to customize the container. For example, if I want to change the background. I can click over here in order to customize this element. I can see that it's a block code element. We have the skin over here. We have the alignment over here. The content that I can edit with AI over here. And I can edit the content over here as well. The author over here. And tweet button over here, where we can have icon and text, or only icon or only text, the skin, the label, the username, and the targeted URL. For style, we have text color from over here. Typography, we can use global typography from over here, or custom typography by clicking over here. We have font family from over here, the size from over here, transform from over here, style, decoration, line height, letter spacing, and word spacing. We have the gap from the content and the author. We have the text color for the author, typography for the author, and button. This one is for tweet button. The size, the border radius, the color, if you want a custom color, typography, same settings, and for the hover state, like so. And for the advanced, we have margins and paddings. Over here, we simply have to click on this element. It's an image widget, so we can add the image by clicking over here, or we can use AI by clicking over here. We have the image resolution, caption and link. We have style, alignment, width, maximum width, height. If we are changing the height, we have over here object fit, and we can change these settings like so. The opacity, and the border radius over here. And for the advanced, we have margins and paddings. So let's delete this container by clicking over here on this X, by clicking once again on this plus, and now by clicking on this media library, we can choose a block from over here. We have different categories over here. We can also add an entire page like so. So let's add the code again. From the category, I'm going to search for code, and I'm going to insert this section. And I can see the section over here and in the structure over here. In order to edit the new section, I can simply click over here to this container. In order to edit the image, it's over here from style, background image, like so. I can click over here in order to add these quotation marks, which are a heading widget. And I can click over here in order to add the code, which is a testimonial. We can see the content over here. We can edit it with AI over here. We can add an image from over here. We have the image resolution, the name and the title, as well as the option to have a link. We have the option for the image position and the alignment. By going to style, we can customize the content, the text color from over here. Typography, we can use global fonts from over here, or we can use custom typography from over here. Font family, size, weight, transform style, decoration, line height, spacing, and word spacing. Text shadow, options for the image, image resolution, border if you want a border for the image, border color, and border radius. For the name, we have text color from over here, typography settings from over here, global typography or custom typography, text shadow over here. And for the title, once again we have the option for a different color, typography, global fonts or custom typography, and text shadow. And we also have advanced settings like margins and paddings. So let's once again delete this section from over here by clicking once again on this plus and on this plus in order to add a section from scratch. Let's click on Flexbox. Let's click on this one. By staying on this container, I'm going to go to advanced. Over here, I'm going to choose percentage. I'm going to choose 5. I'm going to right click over here and I'm going to choose add a new container. Once again, right click, add a new container. So now I have 2 containers. I'm going to go over here to this plus. I'm going to add an image over here. Going to click on the image, add an image like so. Going back to plus and over here search for code. We have the option to have it as a testimonial or as a block code. Going to add this one. We can see it over here. We can see the skin from over here, the content, the alignment, all the settings that I have just shown you, the style from over here, and so on. By going back to those dots from over here and to layout, I'm going to justify to center and align the elements to center as well. And to the style, I'm going to add a solid color, like so. So basically, this is how you can create a section from scratch. You can simply go over here to this plus and drag the elements that you need from over here, wherever you may need them, and customize them in this left side over here, the content, style, and the advanced panel.